Hey guys, welcome back. I want to make this all-purpose sauce with me. Amazing roasted peppers, roasted jalapenos in there. Check out the video. This thing goes on anything. You guys gonna love it. Tastes amazing on chips, whatever. Enjoy. Hey YouTube, welcome back to Philip's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a nice all-purpose sauce. You guys can put that on fish, chicken, whatever you want. Dip your bread or baguette in it. Pretty much the sauce is a base sauce, so you could add cream. You could put that in pasta. I'm making this sauce today for fish. Sometimes fish could dry out a little bit. You could drizzle some on there. Olive oil, lemon juice. There's no real quantities. It's almost like a soup, right? So to taste everything. Nice big garlic, onion, salt to taste. Roma tomatoes, obviously. And recipe called for 6. I went for 7, 8 because they're still a little bit small. Uh, Jalapeno peppers. These are like super big, but and obviously we have red peppers. And again, they're like ginormous. So we're working what we got at the supermarket. So we're just gonna start off with cleaning the jalapeno peppers. So you just want to slice them open. I like to cut them right in half. And you want to take out all the seeds from it. It's nice and clean. Just gonna have your Roma tomatoes just like that. Spread them all around the tray. All right, now we're gonna get one onion. Gonna take it apart, and we're just gonna cut it in half. And that. All right, guys. So now we're just gonna remove the head of the garlic. Just expose it, just like that. See that? That's perfect. That we're gonna put at the end. Now, clean up all your red peppers, de-seed them, just like that. And you want to cut them in chunks. I'm going to be using a food processor this big. So just make it as big so that it fits in there, or whatever food processor you're using. I'll be doing it like that. Spread it around your baking tray. Leave some room in the middle for the garlic. So now what we're going to do is season with salt. Be generous. Just like that. You're going to put both garlics in the middle. Olive oil. Olive oil goes inside the garlic, just as if you were roasting your garlic, which pretty much what we're doing with all of these vegetables. Then coat all your vegetables just like that with olive oil. Be generous. All right, guys, so that's your tray. Should look like this. Lots of generous amount of olive oil. The lemon juice will be seasoned once we're blending, and we're also gonna need olive oil in the blender also. So this goes into the oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes, 40, 45 minutes, depending on your oven, all right? In middle rack, don't forget. All right, you guys. So now we're gonna put the roasted garlic right on the side, just like that. Anything falls out of it, put it in the blender. So pretty much all your vegetables right now are gonna go inside the blender. Guys, so all the veggies are in there, nicely roasted. I actually added all the olive oil right into it. And yeah, so maybe I won't need extra olive oil. We'll see. Now the trick to the roasted garlic, grab a little paper towel so you don't want to burn yourself. There is oil in there, so put it in the middle. And you just want to squeeze out all the garlic out of there. Just like that. All right, guys, so now we're just going to add a little bit of lemon juice. Again, this is to taste, so I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in there. Since I already added the olive oil that was on the baking tray, I'm not going to add until I see the color and the texture of it. So let's just blend. All right, so I see a little more thick than I want, so I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons in there and blend again. All right, guys, so that's it. It's blended. Now you can put it in a little mason jar. Some here. Now let's see what it tastes like. Nice and spicy. Perfect. I'm not gonna season anymore. If you want to add some salt, anything else, great. Guys, try it out. You're gonna love it. I could really see this go on fish, chicken, bread, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks again, guys. Bye.